Good afternoon, children. Now we have to start first lesson from the supplementary reader, A Pact with the Sun, and the name of the lesson is A Tale of Two Birds. A Tale of Two Birds is the name of the lesson. I will read first, you just listen it carefully. A mother bird and her two young ones lived in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm, and the young birds were separated from each other. Each found a different home. This is the first scene. In that, we have to see all these points. In the story, there is a mother bird and her two young ones who lived in a forest. Then the mother was killed in a storm, and the young birds were separated, and they found different homes. Now let us start the story. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady, shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. So, in the first paragraph, see children, once there was a bird and the two newborn babies lived in a forest, and where their nest was in a tall and shady tree. There, the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. One day, there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. Tall tree came down because of thunder, lightning, and rain, and wind that blew. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed a bird. That mother bird was killed. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. Strong wind which was blowing there took these baby birds far away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. One of that small baby came down near a cave where gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi ashram a little distance away. Another was there. It landed outside the ashram of one rishi. It is shown in the picture. You can observe this picture. Days passed, and the baby birds became big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and did not know where he was. So, in this paragraph, we come to know that little or young birds become now big birds. One day, king of the country comes there to hunt. He saw a deer. He started chasing that deer, and he ran deep into the forest. Then afterwards, he lost his way and did not know where he was. Then he rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly, he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up! There is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he will slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got on to his horse and rode away as fast as he could. In this paragraph, children, we come to know that king getting tired got off his horse, sat down under a tree, stood near a cave, and then he heard a very strange cry, and it was the voice of that bird, and that bird who was giving instructions to the robbers who were there inside the cave, that somebody has sat under the tree, and he was asking that robbers to come and to take jewels and horse from that king. And then king was surprised to listen all this. He looked up and saw it was a bird. He also heard some noise coming out from the cave. So he did what? Got onto his horse and left that place as fast as he could. So this is a part 1.